Hello friends, welcome once again to a Seminole online math class. In this video, I'm going to profile a solution to the division of binary by another binary. If this is your first time of viewing, kindly consider subscribing to my channel so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. This has posed a great challenge to students as they waste their time converting the two numbers into base 10, dividing and reconverting back to base 2, which will take them time. In competitive examination like JAM, they may not beat time in order to answer the question. Therefore, I've decided to profile a solution by making a video on how to divide a binary number by another binary number. So let's start with the first one. First number here is 1100101 base 2 being divided by 101. So now what I want you to understand is that the result you'll be getting, that is the answer you'll be getting after each of the division, should either be 0 or 1, because you cannot have 2 in binary number, you cannot have 3, so you should either be 0 or 1. That's the highest value you can get. Now here, this is 11, this is 101, and 11 is smaller. I can't divide 11 by 101, therefore I will step further into 110. So this divided by this should be one whole digit. That's the highest you can get. So 110 divided by 101 will give you 1, and 1 times 101 is still 101. Then you subtract. 0 cannot minus 1, you go and borrow. If you borrow, anything you borrow becomes 2. This is now 0 because you are in base 2. Anything you are borrowing is 2. If you are in base 5, anything you are borrowing is 5, etc. So 2 minus 1 is 1. This is 0, no need of writing it, and 1 minus 1 is 0, no need of writing it. Once you do that, after dividing the number you've concentrated on, bring down the next digit. The next digit is 0, you bring it down. Now 101 cannot divide 10 because 10 is smaller. Okay, because of that you add 0. Once you add 0, bring down the next digit. The next digit is 1. Then you say 101 divide 101, it should give you 1. You write your 1. 1 times 101 is 101. You subtract again, you are getting 0. Now you bring down the next digit after each division, which is 1. Now 101 cannot divide 1 because 1 is smaller. Because of that you add 0. Once you add 0, bring down the next digit, which is 0. And yet 101 cannot divide 10. Because of that, add another 0 and bring down the last digit, which is 1. Then 101 divide 101 will give us 1, and 1 times 101 will give us 101. And when you subtract this time around, you are getting 0. Once you get 0 as your answer, you stop. Therefore, as your remainder, you stop. So the answer to this division is 101001. That is the answer. Okay, let's take the second one. In number 2, this is what we have. So you have to make the sign of division again. This will be inside. The 1 here is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are still dividing by 101. You can't divide 11 because it's smaller, so you go into 111. Remember, the highest value you can get is 1. So 111 divide 101 is 1, and 1 times 101 is still 101. You subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. No need of writing 0. After the first subtraction, bring down the next digit, which is 1. Now 101 divide 101 will give us 1, and 1 times 101 is 101. When you subtract, you are getting 0. Remember, after subtraction, bring down the next digit. The next digit is 1. Now 101 cannot divide 1 because 1 is smaller. You add 0. Once you add 0, bring down the next digit, which is 1. 101 divide 11, it cannot go because 11 is smaller than 101. Because of that, add 0 and bring down the next digit, which is still 1. Now this is bigger, so division can continue. 111 divided by 101 will give us 1. 1 times 101 is 101. you subtract. So let's subtract. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0, no need of writing it. So this time, and after the subtraction, remember, you bring down the next digit, which is 1. Now 101 divide 101 is 1, and 1 times 101 is 101. When you subtract, you are getting a 0, and once you see 0, you stop. So our answer is 110011 base 2, and that is the answer to this division. So you've seen that it is easy to take divisions like this without any stress, instead of wasting your time converting all of them to base 10. Thank you so much, and may God bless you for viewing. Remember to subscribe to my channel at Wassce Online Math Class, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook.